Welcome back, everyone. Today I have a worthless iPod Touch 4. Absolutely not working anymore. Oh, it does work, but the screen's not cracked. Anything like that. I'm gonna go in the shade so you guys can see this thing. It works. I'm gonna put the brightness up so everyone can see. It's running iOS 6.1.6 iPod Touch 4, but I just decided we should crack it today. So let's get right into the video. So we're just gonna start with a side drop. 3, 2, 1. So you can see that the iPad didn't really crack, but let me see here. Yes, there was a crack. I don't know if my stupid camera can zoom, but it is just right around here. My camera sucks, so probably can't. Actually, I don't even know if that's a crack, but there is a sufficient crack. Our next drop is going to be a 3-foot back drop. 3, 2, 1. So we can see that this iPod is okay. It doesn't look like it has any cracks. I don't yet see any, but in the future we're definitely going to see one. iPod looks flawless. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's any cracks yet. Let's move on to our face down. Face down drop in 3, 2, 1. I don't know, that sounded kind of painful. Let's see. And looks good. No cracks. There are a few dents on the sides. No cracks though. Let's move on to our 5-foot. 5-foot face drop. 3, 2, 1. That looked like a face down, but I have to tell you, this iPod is doing really good. I don't think we're going to be able to crack it. There are a few dents on the sides, but this iPod looks flawless. If not for a few cracks, everything still works. So does the camera. Let's move on. iPod face up in 3, 2, 1. If you guys saw that, this did look kind of painful, but I don't believe it did crack. There is no cracks. Everything still works. Low battery. Let's move on to our face down. Face down in 3, 2, 1. So I think this iPod is a goner. Yes, it is a goner. There are cracks everywhere. It does still work, but totally unusable. Cracks everywhere. That concludes our video. Camera still works, and of course the battery just somehow is not 20% anymore. It's done. See you guys in the next video.